ating magic ampaw. Asan na po ang magic ampaw?
What's he talking about? 20,000
cash
what?
prize. Ayan, okay. Ready na po ba, ma'am? Ma'am Ben, anong meron sa itlog na meron din sa dagat?
Shell.
Showers! Perfect! Congratulations, ma'am! Grabe, galing. Pinagandaan ng logic questions. Alright. And now, everyone, our next question. Anong fish, again, anong fish ang hindi max? Your name, ma'am?
Pia po.
Ma'am Pia, anong fish ang nakakasulat?
Lafish.
Lapis! Yes! Correct! Congratulations! Grabe, kagaling. Okay, last two. Yun, especially family, friends, and relatives sa street talaga. Sobrang dami. Anong cheese ang hindi nauubos? Sabi ko sa inyo, bilisan nyo. Yung bilis tuloy ni Sir. Para kay baby, anong name mo na baby?
Hana.
Ara. Nagulat siya. Okay, anong cheese ang hindi nauubos?
Chismis.
Chismis or chismosa is correct! Congratulations! Grabe, galing. Meron, uy, may pahabol. Okay, now bring me! Everyone, kahit sino sa inyo pwede, bring me! Bring me sexy na lola! Let's go! Pero buntis! Hindi, joke lang. Halika, mami.
Grandmother.
Bring me lola,
Pregnant.
pero buntis na lola sila. Alright, mommy, check. Maganda, check. Congratulations! Ayan. Wait lang ha. Halika dito man. Sino talaga sa inyong dalawa? Siya na lang. Okay. Now, sir, your name? Congratulations, baby girl. Ayan. Alright, and now, bring me ATM! Come on! Na naglalabang worth 1M ang laman.
What is it? What is it?
Ay. Okay, this. Isa pa mismo sa mami, ano? Para hindi na uubos. Ikaw? Ikaw ko chismoso. Congratulations, baby. Thank you so much. And now, last one. Alright, get ready, everyone. Last one. Bring me sabongero, lolo, tito, daddy. Come on.
What's that? What's that?
Some chicken, there's a game with the chicken fighting. And
Quack, quack, quack.
yeah, grandfather who wants to play the opposite